You are a unique being with purpose in the role you play in this world. For many of you, discovering your purpose and living life to the fullest may seem difficult at times and even seem out of reach. Take a short journey with me, and I can help you discover wellness and a path to a quality of life where you can restore your health, clear your mind, and thrive. What many think of as a barren land beholds an extraordinary wellspring of life. The Sonoran Desert is where my story begins and is the inspiration behind the message that I bring to you.
Hello, my name is Andy Barnes, and we're here in the beautiful Sonoran Desert of Arizona. What makes the Sonoran Desert such a lush and bountiful place is the hidden oasis throughout its land. For those who truly know the land, the Sonoran Desert is a wellspring of life. Even through some of the most extreme environmental conditions, several native Indian tribes thrived in this incredible desert. They harvested plants and cacti like cholla buds, mesquite pods, and chia seeds, just to name a few. Many of these native plants and cacti are loaded with rich nutrients and minerals that helped nourish, comfort, and even heal. One cactus in particular that the natives have harvested for centuries is nopal, also known as prickly pear cactus. Nopal cactus has been used for a variety of purposes because of its broad range of nutrients to help meet the needs of the native diets. This special cactus is very unique because it produces a delicious fruit and vegetable. The leaf, also known as the pad, is considered a rich vegetable loaded with minerals and concentrated fiber. Today, nopal pads are still being served fresh off the grill and are famous in Mexico to make nopalitas. The other main part of the nopal cactus is called the fig, which has been used by the natives as a condiment for cooking and eaten as fruit when in bloom. Today, nopal cactus fruit is considered by scientists as an antioxidant-rich superfruit. But this superfruit isn't just any ordinary fruit. The nopal fruit is loaded with a very rare and special class of antioxidant called betalains. Betalain antioxidants thrive in the rich pigment of the nopal fruit and only exist in highly concentrated levels in the nopal cactus. Sonoran Bloom celebrates the ancient wisdom of the native Sonoran Desert people and the healing powers of the nopal cactus through its premier product, Nopalea. Nopalea is made from pure, natural nopal cactus fruit and is formulated and manufactured by Trivita, a 10-year-old wellness industry leader specializing in nutraceutical formulations. Let's hear from their Chief Science Officer, Brazos Minshew, on how Nopalea helps the body detoxify and reduce inflammation.
Every day, our bodies are exposed to dangerous toxins in our air and water and food. Things like pollution, plastics, cosmetics, cigarette smoke, drugs in our drinking water. We're also bombarded with toxins created in our own bodies. Think about nutrient deficiencies, cellulite, allergies, emotional stress, indigestion, hangovers, and bad breath. These toxins can poison the vital fluid that surrounds the cells and keeps them healthy. The result? Inflammation and disease. As the fluid around a cell becomes increasingly toxic, the cell itself withers and eventually collapses under the weight of the toxic load. Nopalea combats these daily toxins by harnessing the power of betalains, a class of rare and potent antioxidant that flourish in the superfruit of the nopal cactus. After drinking Nopalea, the body can absorb the betalain antioxidants and infuse them into the fluid surrounding the cell. From there, the betalains help the body eliminate unwanted toxins and excess water to help reduce inflammation. This balances the environment around the cell and allows essential nutrients to enter into the cell itself. Your cell can reinflate and rehydrate. Your body can enjoy optimum cellular health, and you can pursue lifelong wellness.
While it is nearly impossible to shield yourself from all of the toxins that you are exposed to on a daily basis, you can take action to minimize their damaging effects with Nopalea. Sonoran Bloom's Nopalea can help detoxify and cleanse your body of dangerous elements that build up over time. This will help to reduce inflammation and promote optimal cellular health, reducing your risk for harmful disease and premature aging. The nopal cactus only blooms once or twice a year, so the harvesting must take place at just the right time. From there, the fruit is immediately transported to our processing plant where the thorns are removed and the fruit is then compressed into a puree and ready for bottling. Nopalea is aseptically bottled in a state-of-the-art facility, ensuring quality, freshness, and preservation of antioxidants and potency. Now that you have heard about the wellness benefits of this amazing product, you probably know quite a few people who could use this product. In fact, this product is in such demand, Trivita has created a unique income opportunity for those who might be interested in sharing it with others.
Trivita is now launching its newest wellness invention, Nopalea. As you just heard, Nopalea is a very unique product that comes from the fruit of the nopal cactus. This fruit is now considered a superfruit and is scientifically proven to help reduce inflammation and help detoxify the body of harmful toxins. If you've been keeping up with the latest news in health and medicine, you know that inflammation is the hot topic. Science has finally proven that inflammation of the body is a major cause of many diseases. In fact, more and more health professionals today are prescribing anti-inflammatory medications to the tune of about $50 billion per year, and the trends are only getting worse. But imagine if there were a product that could help the body reduce inflammation all the way down to the cellular level, and you didn't even need a prescription for it. And imagine if it was only a little over $1 per serving and even tasted great. Well, Nopalea does just that. This amazing product is already creating a major buzz, and the story is just starting to be told. Nopalea is truly a remarkable product, and it's creating astonishing results for so many people. This delicious wellness drink from Trivita is not your typical antioxidant juice. As you heard on this program, Nopalea contains a rare class of antioxidants called betalains, so rare that very few plants produce them, and practically all diets lack them. Science has proven that these powerful betaline antioxidants help the nopal cactus survive the extreme conditions of the Sonoran Desert, and the betalins in Nopalea can help you too by reducing chronic inflammation. In fact, a leading publication recently called inflammation the secret killer and revealed that inflammation is on the increase and is causing chronic pain, discomfort, and poor health that may lead to serious disease. Nopalea is truly the ultimate anti-inflammatory wellness drink and is helping thousands of people combat chronic inflammation.
Every day we receive letters and emails from people throughout North America who are amazed at the wellness benefits they are experiencing from just a few ounces of Nopalea each day. We are so confident that Nopalea will make a difference in your life, we've created the Nopalea Wellness Challenge. Here's how it works.
Simply drink 3 to 6 ounces of chilled Nopalea each day for 30 days, and you might just be amazed at how fast your aches, pains, and other inflammatory symptoms will start to disappear. Your energy levels can also improve dramatically. Your mobility can improve, and so will your overall outlook on life. So take the Nopalea Wellness Challenge today. We know that if you try Nopalea, you will absolutely love the taste and how it makes you feel. Ask the Trivita affiliate who shared this program with you how you can take the challenge at no cost to you today.
Thank you for viewing this program, and congratulations on your decision to take the challenge. You'll be glad you did. And remember, wellness is not a destination, it's a journey. Stay on the journey and experience wellness.